Ramanujan for G is now available on the Google Play Store. Try it out for free.
Good morning, class. So, in the maxima and minima, we are going to take more problems. Okay, so let me write problems based on maxima and minima. Okay, so we will look at problems. Okay, so like question is given, the function fx is equals to x square minus 3x plus 2 divided by x square plus 2x minus 3, right? So which is equals to, so solving, like the function is y is equals to x minus 2 x minus 1 divided by x plus 3 and x minus 1, so which is equals to x minus 2 by x minus x plus of 3. So finally it will be x is not equals to 1 and x is this not equals to 3. So we can say y is equals to x plus of 3 minus 5 divided by x plus of 3, which is 1 minus 5 by x plus 3. So dy by dx is equals to 5 by x plus 3 whole square. So which is equals to plus always for all values of x, right? So finally y is equals to fx is an increasing function in its domain. Okay, in its domain. So you can copy this, then we'll move to the next question. So next question, the height of cylinder of max volume that can be inscribed, that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius, in a sphere of radius a is. Okay, so solving, like if a be the radius and h be the height, then from the this sphere, we can say like r plus h square by 4 is equals to a square. So h square is always equals to 4 of a square minus r square. So v is equals to pi r square h, which is equals to pi a square minus 1 by 4 h square into h. So finally it will be pi of a square h minus 1 by 4 h cube, right? So if we talk about dv by dh, then it will be pi of a square minus 3 by 4 h square, which is equal to 0 for max or minimum, right? So like this gives h is equals to 2 by root 3 of a, right? So finally d square v by dh square is equals to minus 6h by 4 is less than 0. So max, for v max the h will be 2a by root 3, right? So this is the answer. Next thing is the ratio of altitude of cone of greatest volume, which can be inscribed, which can be inscribed in a given sphere, in a given sphere to diameter of sphere, right? So solution, let if we assume h is height of the cone and r be its radius, so h is equals to cl, like if I draw a line, this is the cl line. Okay, so let me draw complete first. It's b point, it's a, this is r, this is h minus a, this is a, and again this is the a. Okay, so cl, which is equals to co plus ol, which is a plus ol. Okay, because this is point o, so ol will be h minus of a, so r, which is equals to la, will be will be OA square minus OL square. So R is will be A square minus H minus whole square. So it will be 2AH minus H square. So V is equals to 1 by 3 pi R square H. So it will be 1 by 3 of pi 2AH minus H square into H. So finally it will be 1 by 3 2ah square minus h cube. So final it will be dy by dh is equals to pi by 3 4ah minus 3h square is equals to 0. So h is equals to 0 or 4a by 3. So h is equals to 0 is rejected, then h is equals to 4a by 3, which is 2 by 3 of 2a right? So h is equals to 2 by 3, which is a diameter. Okay, so this is the answer. Next question, like the largest term in the sequence we have to find. Like question is largest term in sequence, which is like xn is equals to n square by n cube plus 200, and n is belongs to n natural number. Okay, so solving, we can say like fn function is xn is equals to n square by n cube plus 200. Okay, so finally it will be a f dash n will be a n cube plus 200 into 2n minus n cube n square divided by this. So it will be n cube plus 200 whole square. So n into 400 minus n cube divided by n cube plus 200 whole square, right? So like if fn function f dash n function is not equals to 0, so fn has no critical point. So we can say like if f7, if we talk about f7, which is, so you will get 49 by 543, right? Or if we talk about f8, which is 8 by 89. Okay, so here f7 is greater than f8, right? So the largest value is 49 by 543. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay. Okay. So next problem. So next is if fx is equals to mod x plus x minus 1 plus x minus 2. Okay. So then we have to see, okay, so like function fx is equals to mod x plus x minus 1 plus x mod x minus 2. So this will be minus 3x plus 3, which is x is less than 0, minus x plus 3, where it's less than 1, x plus 1, which is 1 less than 2, 1 equals to x, and 3x minus 3, which is x is greater than equals to 2, right? So if we talk about f dash x, so it will be like minus 3, where x is less than 0, so it means it does not exist. So x is equals to 0. So minus 1, 0 less than x less than 1, which does not exist at x equals to 1. Similarly, if we talk about 1, so 1 less than 2, so it also does not exist at x equals to 2. And finally 3, which is x is greater than 2. So clearly fx has the minima at x equals to 1. So we can write minima at x equals to 1, and neither or nor minima or maxima at x equals to 0 and 2, right? So we can check out here. So we can copy this problem, then we can move to the next one. The next problem, minimum value of function, we need to find minimum value of function. Okay, so which is 40, the function is 40 divided by 4x4 3x4 plus 8x cube minus 18x square plus 60. So we can say let y is equals to 1 by 40 of 3x4 plus 8x cube minus 18x square plus 60. So we can say dy by dx is equals to 1 by 40 12x cube plus 24x square minus 36x. So now dy by dx is equals to 0, which is x cube plus 2x square minus 3x is equals to 0. So x of x minus 1 and x minus plus 3, which is equals to 0. So this is 1 and minus 3, right? So we can say at x equals to 0, d square y upon dx square is equals to minus 36 less than 0. So if y is maximum, like y is maximum at x equals to 0, right? So the given function, that is 1 by y, is minimum, will be at minimum, which will be at x is equals to 0, right? So the given minimum value of function, minimum value of function, which is equals to 40 by 60 is equals to 2 by 3. Okay. 2 by 3. Okay. Next problem, the greatest value of fx is equals to x plus 1 1 by 3 minus x minus 1 1 by 3 on 0 to 1 is. So for this we have fx is equals to x plus 1 1 by 3 minus of x minus 1 by 3. So f dash x is equals to 1 by 3 1 upon x plus 1 1 by 3 minus x by 1 x minus 1 divided by, this is 1 by x minus 1 power 1 by 3. Okay, so we can see x minus 1 to the power 2 by 3 minus x plus 1 power 2 by 3 whole divided by 3 of x square minus 1 2 by 3, right? So clearly we can see like f dash x, which does not exist at x is equals to plus minus 1. So now fx is equals to 0. So which means x minus 1 2 by 3, which is x is equals to 0. So f dash x is equals to 0 for any value of x belongs to 0 to 1, which means fx at x is equals to 0 is 2. So the greatest value of fx is 2. Okay. Question, like coordinates of points of parabola. Coordinates of points of parabola. So actually these are all problems selected by me, which are very useful and are completely same as they asked. Okay, so which you need to solve. So which is closest to a straight line, which is closest to straight line. Y is equals to 3x minus 3. Okay, so let's look. So let points be x comma y. So y is equals to x square plus 7x plus 2. So its distance from the line y is equals to 3x minus 3, or 3x minus y is minus y minus 3 is equals to 0, right? So this the line. So now d is equals to 3x minus y minus 3 divided by under root of 10. So which is equals to 3x minus x square plus 7x plus 2 minus 3 divided by 10. So finally it will be like mod of x square minus 4x minus 5 divided by under root of 10. Okay, so d is equals to x square plus 4x plus 5, which divided by under root of 10. So it will be x plus 2 whole square plus 1 and divided by under root of 10. So we'll solve x plus 2 whole square plus 1 divided by 10 as numerator and denominator, and which is positive, right? So dd by dx is equals to 2 of x plus 2 divided by under root of 10, which is equals to 0, or x is equals to minus of 2, right? So hence y is minus 8, like the point is 2 comma minus 2 comma minus 8, right? So finally d square d by dx square is equals to 2 by under root of 10, which is equals to positive. So hence minimum at minus 2 and minus 8. Okay. So with this, we have finished our maxima and minima. From the next class, we will start the second part of the AOD. Okay, second part of the AOD, which is monotonicity. So which is also very important. So we will start in the next class. So thank you guys.